Hi everybody, this is Lawrence here. Today I would like to share with you our Sony TEOS workspace management solutions. Meetings aren't what they used to be now. As you know, in now COVID situation, people are trying to get communication through online by using Webex or Zoom. Safety still remains very critical, especially there's still cases around during this COVID situation. And by using TEOS, meeting can be more efficient. Let me share with you more. Let me introduce you our TEOS meeting or desk room booking flow. When the employee is at home, they can use the mobile phone or laptop to secure a room in the office. When they reach the office, we have devices and TEOS technology to help them to facilitate themselves, even when they arrive at the room and leaving the room too. Let us zoom in how TEOS is able to benefit our employees when they are at home. With the TEOS mobile app, the employees can remotely search for and book rooms before they leave their room. They can select the dates and time, and the rooms can be reserved for them for the upcoming days in advance. To ensure social distancing, meeting rooms capacity can be adjusted so that when the employees search for a 3-person room, for instance, they can booking a 6-person rooms. We can also customize our booking, such as inviting co-workers, attach documents, and receive custom message from it. And lastly, we can review our bookings and statistic details for easy management. With the desktop version of the mobile app, it allows employees to use the features and functionalities of the mobile app from their laptop. It is compatible with Microsoft 365, Google Calendar, Exchange, and TEOS. And soon, we will also be launching our new TEOS Outlook add-in. It will allow employees to search for and book their room straight from their Microsoft Outlook calendar. When the employees arrive at the office, they can use a QR code for touchless sign-in while our TEOS reception and navigate to their room with TEOS wayfinding solution. When the employee moves into their workspace, our TEOS room status display an overview of meeting room availability and the details of each reservation. We do have solution for desk booking as well. A sensor that detect occupancy. We know when someone is at a desk. The sensors can be combined with automation scenarios too. You can also check in using our newly launched 3.5-inch round Android tablets. It can be situated on each desk to show ability while the LED is light. When the employees arrive at their room, there are multiple ways for employees to check in to their meeting room. We can check in using the mobile app or by scanning a QR code to check in. When the employees enter into a meeting room, it automatically picks up and book it in the corporate calendar system. This is because we have a sensors that detect occupancy. We can also manage booking with our newly launched 10-inch interactive tablets too. Our TEOS Book tablets for room booking has various functionality and is customizable. The tablets can be installed in landscape or portrait format. The logos, font, colors, images, and design can be moved or changed. Animated background are possible too. Meeting rooms details such as the name and host can be pulled from the calendar system. You are able to touch to see what other rooms are available to and to able to start, extend, or cancel a meeting. You can also touch the timeline to book the meeting rooms immediately. And we have a screensaver that is able to show the content when the tablets are idle for preset time. The employees can use the same methods to check out when they leave their room. The meeting rooms can be also set to automatically block for sanitizer after a meeting. The administrators of the TEOS system can manage and measure room booking from the core TEOS Manage platform. We are able to create the rooms and synchronize them using Office 365, Google Calendars, or TEOS Calendar. We are able to define special equipments and capacity. We are able to also create specific user rights so that the employees can only see their office in the app. We are able to block rooms after use for sanitization and also analyze the data pulled from the meeting rooms tablets and sensor to review the numbers of no-show, for example. Our solution is able to help you and your company to make space perform. Not only just by orchestra your office using our TEOS Manage, we have solution that's able to streamline your rooms and desk booking, as I mentioned just now. We are able to make your visiting easy for you and your customer, and able to master your meeting rooms through our various TEOS solution. And lastly, we also have solution that's able to help you and your customers to communicate clearly by using our TEOS signage, TEOS TV, video wall, and survey. Let me introduce you our newly incorporated thermal camera solution. We are able to scan temperature without the need of a physical body to administrate the temperature checks. We are able to do facial recognition even with the mask is on. For Singapore-wise, we are also incorporated with the essential safe entry check-in and check-out. We do also provide the accessory for the thermal camera. Social distancing is important. Thus, we would like to introduce you AI social density solution. For this solution, it supports multi-platform, multi-devices so that the user can have a very good experience. This solution is able to do monitoring and alert through our digital signage display. By using our pan-tilt zoom camera, we are able to set the social distancing area. And we provide a cloud-based dashboard so that you can see the analysis and result from this solution.